Hello and welcome to, of course, we're talking to someone interesting today, and it's an interview with the Pidgin master himself, but like he's a translator of the Pidgin Bible, and he's no other than his name is Salem Eagle, but he's going to be telling us more about, what brought about this whole Pidgin Bible translating, thing. And I don't almost forget my name, but let me just So my name is Precious Chukudi, and it's good to interview Salem Eagle, and I will drop this English. You have to speak in Pidgin. All right, you're welcome, Salem Eagle.
Yeah, thank you.
A Pidgin Bible translator. Thank you for joining me this afternoon.
Yeah, thank you.
I think I turn on to Pidgin. Thank you as they join me this afternoon. All right,
no.
so he's a translator of the Pidgin Bible and Pidgin Bible.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's keep that one at the side. But so just tell us about yourself, Salem Eagle. Who is he and what's up with him?
Okay, my name now Salem Eagle. Okay, I be the translator and editor of the Pidgin Bible, and I be musician, producer, poet. I play different instruments, and I'm also a painter. So I be multi-talented person, So that's Salem Eagle.
All right, so you became popular as a result of this Pidgin Bible translation, like this Bible itself, where you translate. Now, how you take start time? Waiting with the driver, waiting drive you, make you just say, I want to translate Bible, because this thing no be like one thing go dey like people mind, make them think say maybe even carry this Bible self, maybe they carry for, maybe even translate them. So, as I give you the mind, maybe translate this Bible.
Okay. Every good idea they come from God.
Okay.
God, now Baba God, they inspire people to do good things. But also my Uncle Jacob Ego, we join body do this work. He be nine ginger the work where say okay, we go fit do this work. So make we start work and we translate the Bible to Pidgin. So that's so the idea to come out.
All right. So when this idea come, like you ever feel say people no go really accept this thing, because say people they very very conventional about some things where you go just write about Bible. Anything concern Bible, you write them anyhow. Did you feel anyhow whether people go accept this thing, like as you go just write this Bible, whether they no go judge you, say they turn some words for this Bible somehow?
When I start to do the work, or when we start to do the work, I get the confidence say people go accept the work well, because Baba God don't give us the grace to do them, And when people go through the work and they say they're correct, they're not going to get any way to criticize or to judge the work in a bad way. Instead, they go appreciate the work. So with the confidence and with the grace of God, we believe say we go fit do the work well and translate them accurately.
All right.
And Baba God help us too.
All right. So as you can't start to translate this Bible, you reach any point where you just say, I don't do Genesis. Be like say this work is too much. I no fit to. Genesis to Revelation are long, as in a really long road. They're very discouraged. Say, I know if you continue this thing like this.
When I start the work, say the Bible is a very big book, So I just do them small, And around that lockdown period, can give us a lot of time, a lot of opportunity to do the work. And at some point, I tire well because Bible is a big book as I talk, but the determination say we go finish this work, And again, Pidgin a very sweet language, so as I translate, it be like fun, it be like fun. Although the eagerness they say okay, make I finish this thing, but now fun, as God they reveal everything, we just they do the work, it just they go smoothly until we finish.
Okay, so maybe I take you back to one of the things that you mentioned. You say now God inspired this whole process. So, people will say God inspired, but like how? Say you dream, you get any form of revelation. Person can't tell you say, but I don't dream, or say you go write Pidgin Bible, or now your courage for where people maybe they very highly spiritual or something like that.
No, any work will go affect people's life positively. Now God. That they inspire that kind of thing, because it's not easy to want to do something to take your time to do something for a long period, just ordinarily like that. You need to have that determination and that love, for the work and for the people, because we know say when we finish this work, it will affect a lot of people's life positively, so that's the God, the love for humanity, the love for people,
Okay, so waiting can convince you, because I still they feel like say this thing a serious work.
Yeah.
Like serious work. I just they hold the Bible and I flip through the pages and I'm thinking in my head, how person go just sit down, just turn everything to PG. Should this person not get any other work where they do? Like what the kind of life where we operate now, everybody today busy for a lot of things. So like waiting can't really give you that conviction. Say, I go fit start this thing and I go fit finish them.
Already I've been translate the dictionary to Pidgin. We don't almost they completed. So the dictionary to help, to create a lot of words. We go match words for Pidgin. So that dictionary, when I don't be the right before, to help grammatically.
Okay. So what is the name of the dictionary you create?
It's now still Pidgin Bible, but whenever Steve, give them finishing touches.
Okay, so people know if you get access to that dictionary.
No, the dictionary never, they're ready yet. But for this Bible, we get dictionary behind them. For the back of the Bible, we get about 1,000 words.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So when I been talk to you before, you get one time where you mentioned say you get Pidgin Bible music. Can if you tell us more about that Pidgin Bible music?
Okay, the Pidgin Bible music now the Pidgin Bible where we do in a music form, so that people go feel enjoy them anywhere that they maybe as they drive, or anywhere they even play them for party, because the message is there inspiring and them come with different beats, so that people go feel listening to them, You see, and for people who not feel read, we not sabi read, or for people who they blind, so that them go feel get the message. That's why we do the Pidgin Bible music.
Okay, so aside you, which other person they help you, and your uncle you mentioned? Who else again they help you? They put this piece of work together.
Just the two of us.
Hey. So no extra bodies, no. All the graphics work, everything.
Yes, everything. Now we they do ourselves.
So now be full company by yourself like this. Wow. All right. So who be your target audience? Who be the people where you look out for? Say, say some people like this they don't like Pidgin, no. Like they like here say people they speak Pidgin. So who be the people where they really look out for? Say these people now my audience, so where they create this, Pidgin Bible for.
Okay. For Nigeria and all over Africa, now Pidgin we sabi. For Nigeria, about more than 70% of Nigerian population they understand and they communicate with Pidgin. Even those people where they form say they don't like Pidgin. If they go market, now Pidgin they go follow market woman talk. Go market can they speak grammar, or when you're inside bus, now Pidgin you go follow conductor talk. So now for everybody. Now for everybody, because Pidgin our language and we need the language to communicate better. Most people they feel say Pidgin just street language or local language. Now because before now Pidgin never reached this standard, but now we don't come out with the Bible, the Pidgin Bible. Pidgin don't get that levels now. People don't begin to respect Pidgin, say wow, this is not language we will fit adopt as our own.
Alright, so how long did it take when you write the Bible?
The translation of the Bible take us about 3 years.
Wow. Yeah. So now everyday work, you go just write and stop anytime you feel like you will continue. Now
everyday work, as I work on the Pidgin, the write up, they work on the audio self, they build the site, so we just concentrate on the Pidgin Bible project. Okay,
so how far the audio don't they ready? Or you still get work where you want to?
The audio we get work where they do on them, but some of them don't they ready, and the ones we don't they ready, we don't upload them online, and people don't ready they share them for their pages and their WhatsApp group and things like that.
Okay, so this one are like this CD,
and this is not the sample of the CD.
Oh, okay. So people go so people guys
we go some put them for market, but they're online to download.
Oh, okay, where they fish get them online?
They fit get them for our website www.pidginbible.com. Or if you get them for SoundCloud, Pidgin Bible for SoundCloud.
Okay, so how you take launch the Bible? Like how you take, bring them out, say, okay, my work don't finish, me and I can't see you. How you take launch them?
Okay, we never actually launch the Bible, but today for market yet, because what we first do now, Psalm, Proverbs, and the whole of the New Testament. Say the Bible big well. So we bring these ones out to see how people will respond. And say it costs a lot of money to print. So but before the end of the year, we they come out with the full package when we will launch them.
Okay, so the full package will include waiting.
The whole Bible. It don't ready, yes. Right now we work on the printing and some other things.
Okay, the whole Bible.
Yes.
So you never start to sell anything yet?
No, they sell this one. This one they for market already.
Oh, okay. And how much this one cost for?
This one at 3.5.
Okay.
It they on many big bookshops like Nickel Art Gallery, Bible Wonderland, Scripture Union, many big bookshops. They circulate around all those bookshops.
So how long will you don't launch them for many of these bookshops
It don't day on those bookshops since about 2 months now.
2 months. What think be the reception like? People they really buy them?
Yes, people they buy them. People love them.
So
we even they get orders from outside country, from US, Canada,
so
Europe.
They ship outside.
Yes.
So. Okay.
For now, and when they look for people with the outside the country and even around with airport sell too.
Okay, so since over 2 months ago you don't sell this Bible now. How many copies you don't sell so far?
We don't sell about 1,000 copies.
Okay.
And we need to meet the demand as well.
Okay. So what will be your marketing strategy? How you take one pierce the market with this Bible? Because these days now people know they really carry Bible for handle.
Yes.
Everybody they use Bible now for app. If you even go church now, you go see say main pastor will say make everybody bring out their Bible now. Phone everybody they bring out. Before people they say maybe they carry Bible for church, but these days now even pastor himself get tab where they read Bible from. So what will be your marketing strategy? How you want people where they use phone now, we go just go app, download Bible. How you want to convince them, say that they carry this one?
Okay. For now, we don't come out with the print version.
Okay.
But before the end of the year, we will come out with the app. We don't already work on the app.
Oh, okay.
And they work on the audio because the audio go there inside the app. So everything go ready before the end of the year.
All right. So you get any plans to add more staff? Because now, as long they sell now, most likely you go need get more people where you go they work with to produce more of this Bible. So you go around.
Yes.
You get plans to get people where go they work with you?
Of course, we get plans to get people where go work with us. But we just take them as they come. Gradually, they meet the demand as people they ask for. As we they grow small.
Okay.
We're beginning to involve a lot of people.
Okay. What will be the reception of people will be Bible scholars? Some people be Bible scholars on this Bible. How they don't anybody will don't tell you something where maybe they say this thing say write down way for this Bible, or maybe you suppose write down in a better way.
And nobody actually for now, nobody don't tell us say okay maybe this place be like this or this place.
You don't give them
like
to some of all these pastors, maybe then review.
Yes, my partner Jacob Egon, a pastor.
Okay.
And many people don't see him. Many bishops, many reverends, they don't see the Bible, and they appreciate them because they correct. Now when they correct, now people will begin to talk somehow, but they correct because we use about 20 different versions. Now we study, they translate them. But the main version we use now King James. But we use other versions, about 20 different versions, so that we can get real meanings, of words and expressions.
Okay. So how, aside from, you mentioned Nickel's gallery, and how people feel get this Bible, at every area, how people go feel just locate where they go feel get the Bible?
It did for Jumia self. It did for Jumia, and Bible Wonderlands today, they many states. It did for Jumia. For Jumia, you feel order them and they go deliver to you anywhere you did. Or you feel order them from our website too. If you come on our website, you go see our phone numbers and our email address. If you order them, and we ship them to you directly.
Okay. All right. I don't talk to Salem Ego. He's a Pidgin Bible translator, and this one a serious work. 3 years. Easy. I still dey wonder whether you really do anything within that 3 years. But in talk say, you just dey on top this Bible matter. You won't translate them by force by fire, so everybody go get access to them. And it makes sense because if we get English Bible, why we not get Pidgin Bible, especially for words on the streets, people waiting for streets, make them even relate to wetin dey for
And
hand.
understand.
And yes, and understand. So this is a very, very good work where you don't do. And we want to say thank you for giving this one to to people like us who go like they read Bible like this. All right, and I was talking to Salem Eagle. He's a Pidgin Bible translator, and he has told us a lot of things about what the Bible entails. And so, like he said, if you want to grab your own copy of this Bible, you can order it on Jumia. You can also go to Bible Wonderland, Nick's Gallery. And I think he said he sold for 3,500. So if you want it to be shipped abroad too, you can reach out to them on your website again.
www.pidginbible.com.
All right. Thank you so much. Remember that you can quickly like, share, and subscribe on all our social media platforms showing on your screen. As well as you want to find out up-to-date stories, you can go on our website, www.vanguardngl.com, to find out more. I am Precious Chikudi, and thank you for watching.